Hey guys, it's Gavin here again, and I'm back, and I finally am now with, Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's, Volume 7. This has a card inside of it. Make sure when you see these in plastic, always remember that it says card inside. So give me a second, and I'll cut away in a second if I can't get this unwrapped. Alright. I'm gonna cut here for a second, pardon me. Okay, I'm back. I had to get all the plastic off right there. I'm gonna throw this out as well. Alright. And what card do we have in here? Ah, yes. One of my favorite synchros, I haven't seen this one before, so Black Rose Moonlight Dragon. I'm going to be sleeving that right now. Here's my, the sleeves here. Alright. Again. There it is. If the camera can focus, there we go. Yeah. So now we have, okay, let me check my manga cards here. Okay, so we got Odd Eyes Phantom Dragon, Hot Red Dragon Orange Fiend, let's see, Catapult Warrior, and Infernity General. So that's cool. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 manga cards now. However, I'm going to use this to read all through Volume 7. I finished Volume 6 like 2 weeks ago. Yeah, was it 2 weeks? Yeah, it was 2 weeks. I'm looking at my calendar right now. Barely see it. Whatever. Anyway, that's going to be it for this unboxing of Yu-Gi-Oh! 5D's Volume 7. And see you guys later. Peace.